Forget ChatGPT. Forget Midjourney. This new AI doesn't just generate it, designs, directs, and delivers like an entire creative agency, and over 1 million people were on the waitlist to use it. The name, Love.Art, and as of this week, it's officially live. Why this is a big deal? While Google and OpenAI have been battling over big language models, a stealth San Francisco startup just launched a full-stack design agent. That's blowing minds in the creative world. Think Figma-level control, After Effects, style, motion branding kits, all powered by 12 AI models, choreographed like a digital orchestra. What is Love.Art? Love.Art is more than a design tool. It's a generative design agent that thinks in creative language. You type a single prompt and it kicks off a full-stack production process. Ideation, video and motion design, graphics and mockups, background music, voiceovers, editable assets, and it all unfolds on an infinite layerware canvas. No flattening, no destructive edits. Real test creative studio in one prompt. Let me show you what it can actually do. I gave it a ridiculous prompt. Make a luxury chocolate, but brag about using real insects. What it did blew me away. Broke the idea into scenes. Used Flux Pro for the hero visuals. Grabbed Kling AI for glossy called Suno for the ambient score. Wrote a voiceover. Dropped it all into a perfectly layered timeline. Then I pushed it even further. Full brand kit, packaging, mockups, social templates, motion loops, even die lines for physical print production. Infinite styles. Instantly. Next test. One prompt for a steampunk movie poster. Result, vintage gears, brass typography, aged textures, done in 2 minutes. Then, I asked for variations. Teal and silver color grade, noir, edge, glow teaser. Minimal billboard version, social micro loop with floating particles, SVG glyphs and adaptive aspect ratios for YouTube, IG, hit tab, type new text. It reflows the layout without trashing the rest. Under the hood, 12 AI models working together. Here's the real sauce. Orchestration. Love.Art pipes your prompt through 12 specialized models. Intelligently, GPT-Image 1 for planning, Gemini for layout logic, Trio AI for 3D, Suno for audio, Runway Gen for 4Motion, even pixel-perfect engines like IDH3, and every part of the task chain is visible and editable. Change one layer. Rerun that step only. No need to start over. Built for pros. Love.Art isn't just for fun. It's built for real creative teams. Agencies can generate full brand campaigns in hours. E-com teams spin up tested storefronts and ads. Freelancers deliver pitch decks, video posts, and packaging solo. Small businesses build hiring posts, reels, and IG carousels without hiring anyone. It's the Canva dream marketers wished for in 2019, but powered by LLM cognition and multi-model logic. What to watch for? It's not perfect. Editable text, sometimes glitch. Color separation for screen printing needs finesse. Variant overstyling can go too far. But for a just-launched product, the execution is jaw-dropping. Just keep an eye on your credit balance. Complex runs can burn fast. Pro tip: start with concept, greater than refine, greater than generate. Final, that'll save you tokens and stress. Final take: Love.Art is live right now. Dual chat mode just launched. UI refresh drops with the July 23rd release. You get editable exports, brand-safe templates, and agency-grade output. Without the agency, I've linked the invite code below so you can skip the 100,000 plus wait. Try it, break it, push it, and tag me with your wildest outputs. I'll feature the craziest ones in a follow-up video.